Howdy, folks. It's Howie here, Howie Cat, and I've got some Pringles. It's a weird Pringle, a Pringles rice fusion Malaysian red curry flavor. I guess the Pringles are made out of rice rather than potato, and then a red curry flavor. Red curry I can understand. The rice fusion I don't quite get. Let's give her a shot. Pop that top, because once you pop, something happens. I forget. You can't stop. That's what happens. I know that. Okay, there's the top off. Ooh, fresh Pringles. There they are. They were. It's a fairly broken up Pringle, but it's a Pringle. Okay, the curry flavor's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Oh, that's not just tasty. That's really good. Really good flavor. The rice, the chip is not that different. Wow. It tastes like red curry. It tastes like, oh, it does. I really love this. Yeah, just having that rice fusion gives it that red curry and rice flavor. Fantastic. I've never had anything like this. It really tastes like the food. You get that curry aftertaste and everything sitting in your mouth. I'm really happy I finally tried these. Sitting on the shelf for a little while, but not too long, but a little while. So good. And it really is like a red curry, like getting just a red curry dish. Fantastic. This is probably one of my favorite odd Pringles things I've ever had. Absolutely phenomenal. 12 out of 10. This is a great. I love it. Fantastic. All right, folks. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.